Dear students, welcome to Konnur online classes teaching. Here, myself, Sadashiv Gari, maths lecturer in Konnur Science College. Today, I can discuss about basic maths concept like trigonometry. Previous year, we can discuss about basic concept of trigonometry. Here, this second PUC, we can again discuss some trigonometric concepts like compound angles, multiple angles, and submultiple angles, and also transformation formula. Previous year we can discuss about angles and negative angles as well as positive angles, but all angles represented by capital letters like A, B, C, D, so on. But here, by using these concepts, we can derive the compound angles. What are the compound angles like? Here A plus B, comma B plus C. So these are the compound angles like B minus C, and also inward. Here compound angles. Multiple angles means here consider one angle A, that is represented as A. Multiples of angles, that is are 2A, 3A and 4A, so on. Like this. These are the multiple angles. Then submultiple angles means here A is an angle, their correspond is A by 2, A by 3, A by 4. These are the submultiple angles. And by using the concept of compound angle, multiple and submultiple angles, we derive some basic formula like transformation formula. We can derive transformation formula. Compound angles, multiple angles and submultiple angles, these two concepts used to derive the transformation formula. Here, starting, we can discuss the compound angle formula. Compound angle formulas. Here, there are four different forms of compound angles are there. Here, first one is cos of A plus B, then cos of A minus B, then sine of A plus B, sine of A minus B. Here, these are the basic compound angle formulas. We can directly add the list of formula, that is cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Then cos of A minus B formula, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Then sine of A plus B, that is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Then sine of A plus A minus B formula is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. These are the fundamental transformation formula we can remember. Here, general concept, how to remember these one? here one story is created by these formulas. Here civil code, here we can C from civil, C from code. Civil code social service ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಸ್ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಸ್ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೇಶವ್ಯಾಪಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಸಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದಂದ್ರ ಈ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಹಿಯರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ 90% ಜನ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, ಆದ್ರೂ 10% ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ. Here this small story indicated here. Remember of these formula like cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. Here cos of a plus or minus b, that is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Here this represents sin of a plus or minus b, that is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. These concepts, note here, this is a very important concept, that is sin of either one, cos of a plus b, which is not equal to cos a plus cos b, which is not equal. But regarding cos of a plus b formula already discussing. Here cos of a plus b, which is not equal to cos a plus cos b. Then here again we can derive some basic formulas like here tan of a plus b, tan of a plus b. Here tan of a plus b is equal to sin of a plus b divided by cos of a plus b. Here tan of a plus b we can derive by using sin of a plus b and cos of a plus b formulas. Here already we know that sin of a plus b and cos of a plus b formula. Here we can substitute like sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here divided by cos of a plus b formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, that is tan of a plus b is equal to, then we can divide numerator as well as the denominator by cos a cos b. We get sin a cos b plus cos a sin b divided by cos a cos b whole divided by cos a cos b minus sin a sin b divided by cos a cos b. Then we can split this one as sin a cos b divided by cos A cos B plus cos A sin B divided by cos A cos B whole divided by cos A cos B divided by cos A cos B minus sin A sin B divided by cos A cos B. Here cancelling like cos B cos B cos A cos A. Here this total term is cancelled. Therefore sin A divided by cos A, that is tan A, plus sin B divided by cos B, that is tan B, whole divided by 1 minus sin A divided by cos A, that is tan A, sin B divided by cos B, that is tan B. Finally we get the formula like tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Here this is also important formula. That is, we can derive this formula by using the sine of A plus B and cos of A plus B. Similarly, we can derive tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into here 1 plus tan A into tan B. Here these two again we can derive. Okay, we can derive tan of A plus B as well as tan of A minus B. Again we can derive the formula cot of A plus B. Here, how to determine cot of A plus B? That is, here cot of A plus B is equal to 1 divided by tan of A plus B. Already we know that the formula tan of A plus B, that is 1 divided by tan of A plus B means tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Here reciprocal this one, 1 minus tan A into tan B divided by tan A plus tan B. Divide numerator as well as denominator by tan A into tan B. Here this implies 1 minus tan A into tan B divided by tan A into tan B. Here whole divided by tan of tan A plus tan B divided by tan A into tan B. Again tan A into tan B, tan A into tan B get cancelled, we get the same result. Here 1 divided by tan A into tan B, 1 divided by tan A into tan B minus tan A into tan B, tan A into tan B divided by tan A into tan B whole divided by tan A divided by tan A into tan B plus tan B divided by tan A into tan B. Here tan A into tan B divided by tan A into tan B get cancelled. Tan A, tan A, tan B get cancelled. That implies 1 divided by tan A means cot A. Cot A. 1 divided by tan B means cot B minus tan A into tan B divided by tan A into tan B. Here get cancelled. That is 1 divided by 1 divided by tan B. Tan A get cancelled. 1 divided by tan B means cot B. Cot B plus tan B get cancelled. Then 1 divided by tan A, that is cot A. Here this is the final result for cot of A plus B is equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A. Here this is the another formula for remembering. Here how to discuss cot of A plus B? We can derive like 1 divided by tan of A plus B. Here tan of A plus B formula we can add, then reciprocal 1 minus tan A into tan B divided by tan A into tan B. Here denominator as well as numerator tan A into tan B dividing. Here we get the result like this and separating the terms and cancelling, and also we get the result cot of A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A. And list of formula. List of formula. Formula for compound angle only. Here first one is cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Then sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Then sin of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. From these formula we get tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Then tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Then cot of A plus B is equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A. Here and also similarly cot of A minus B is equal to cot A into cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A. Here, list of formula for compound angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 formulas are remember useful. Cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B, sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B, tan of A plus B, tan of A minus B, cot of A plus B, cot of A minus B. We can use these formula, we can derive some basic concept like then find the value of sine 75 degree. Sine 75 degree values. How to determine sine 75 degree? That is sine of is equal to sine of 45 degree plus 30 degree. Here sine of 45 degree plus 30 degree. Here sine, this concept is sine of A plus B formula. That is, we know that sine of A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. In place of A, we can substitute 45 degree, and in place of B, we can substitute as 30 degree. Here, sine of 45 degree plus 30 degree is equal to sine of A means 45 degree. 45 degree cos 30 degree plus cos of 45 degree into sine of 30 degree. We know that here this is the sine 75 degree. We know that sine 45 degree means 1 divided by root 2. Sine 30 degree means root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 degree means 1 divided by root 2. Sine 30 degree, that is 1 by 2. Here sine 75 degree is equal to, here 1 into root 3, that is root 3 divided by 2 root 2. 2 root 2 plus 1 into 1 divided by 2 root 2. Here base is same, that is sine 75 degree is equal to, here upper side root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. It's our answer. Again, we can derive another problem for cos of 75 degree. Here, cos of 75 degree can be split as cos of 45 degree plus 30 degree. Then, here we know that the formula cos of A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A sin B. In place of A, we can substitute like 45 degree, and in place of B, we can substitute as 30 degree. Then cos of 45 degree plus 30 degree is equal to cos of A means 45 degree into cos of B value 30 degree minus sine of 45 degree, then sine of 30 degree. Then 45 plus 30 cos 75 degree is equal to cos 45 degree 1 divided by root 2, cos 30 degree 1 divided root 3 divided by 2. minus sin 45 degree 1 divided by root 2. Sin 30 means 1 divided by 2. Cos 75 degree is equal to root 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Then base is same. Cos 75 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Here similarly we can derive like tan 75 degree. Tan 75 degree. That is, again this tan 75 degree is written as tan of 45 degree plus 30 degree. Here again we can use the formula like tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Here again we substitute like A is equal to 45 degree, B is equal to 30 degree. Here tan of A plus B means tan 75 degree. Tan 75 degree. Then tan of A means tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree plus tan B means 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree whole divided by 1 minus tan A means 45 degree. Tan 45 degree into tan B, tan 30 degree. Here tan 75 degree is equal to tan 45 degree value is 1 plus tan 30 degree 1 divided by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus tan 45 1 into tan 30 1 divided by root 3. Here again tan 75 degree is equal to, we get the LCM like root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3. Here whole divided by root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. Here root 3 get cancelled. Then tan of 75 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Here this is the formula. Then again simplify, we get the result like tan of 75 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Here rationalize the denominator like root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Here again root 3 plus 1 whole square. Here a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, root 3 square minus 1 square, value 1, a plus b whole square. Here a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here root 3 square means 3 plus b square value is 1 plus 2, a means root 3 into b value is 1 divided by square root is get cancelled, 3 minus of 1. Here 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Here 2 is common, 2 into 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Again another formula for tan 75 degree is 2 plus root 3.